Rude and like just not a
You're
nice
being
person.
extremely rude.
Yes. You just
How is
called
that?
him a dickhead. What is wrong with you? People don't behave this way.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Alright. Now I'm going to be taking off the train. And my friend, I'm going to give you this. So you can put it. They don't even want to talk to you. It's like a little dickhead. A dickhead. He goes, makes a noise, and then you're immediately thrown off the train. Did you see this? You see the way this happens? Because I need a witness, because I'm gonna sue the shit out of this motherfucker. Well, I will meet you. Well, okay. Yes, you're right. Now let's do that, because okay. So. Give me your phone number. Do you have a pen? Yeah, you fucker. Because I may need on me out. This. That's an extra $100. And stupid shit in the land of freedom, where if you don't kiss their ass, we are fucking silent.